Hello guys, welcome to Feeding .NET. So in this particular session, we are going to talk about serialization and deserialization using System.Text.Json in C Sharp. So for this, I have program already written to explain you both concept, and I have the slide to explain you the definition. Let's start with the serialization. So serialization is a process of converting the C Sharp object into a JSON or XML format. Why we need JSON or XML? Because to transmit the data over network, you need JSON or XML format so that it communicates between both your origins. So here I am calling the serialize method of JSON serializer class, and I am passing an object where that object has some properties, name, age, address, and I'm passing that object to the serialize method, and in return it is giving me the JSON string. Now let's move to the deserialization. Here initially we have the JSON or XML data, and then we convert that data into the C# object. So here I have some demo string, and then I am calling the deserialize method of JSON serializer class, and then I am passing this JSON string, and then I am casting into the person object. So now let's move to the code. As we have already seen, initially we have the person object, then we pass this object to serialize method, and then in return it is giving us JSON string, which we are writing it to console. Then we are using the same JSON string and passing to deserialize method, and then we are casting it into person object, and then using string interpolation we are just printing that deserialize object to the console. If I run this program, you can see initially we have the serialize JSON, that is this, and then when we deserialize, then we are printing its individual properties. So I hope that is pretty much clear to you. Let me remind you that we have already created a video on serialization and deserialization using Newton's of JSON also. You can go back to the playlist and watch that video also. In the end, if you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thanks.